and welcome back to my channel. This is a tutorial video on how to make lips. Similar to the nose, we will first draw a plus sign and then divide the vertical line into two parts depending upon your own wish. How thick or thin the lips do you want? The center line will be the opening of the mouth, and then we'll start by drawing the opening line of it. Make sure that the distance of the lips is same on both the sides. By using those lines, we will then make the cupid's bow and a circle just below it to determine the place of the lips. You can then join the cupid's bow to the end of the opening of the mouth. Similarly, you can also join the lower lip. Now the basic structure of the lip is ready, and now you can start filling in the shades. Firstly, make sure you know from where the light is falling directly onto the lips and leave those areas completely white. Start by filling a lighter shade in whole of the lip, just leaving the highlighted areas. The opening of the mouth will always be darker than the whole entire lip, so make sure that the darkness is present in that. Now you can start creating strokes and smudging it so that no hard lines are there on the lips. Make sure that the lines are not too hard, otherwise the lips won't look good. Even while making lips, make sure that you shade very lightly and develop the shade and not shade darkly suddenly. For creating depth, I use 8B pencil for creating a little bit of depth. The depth was created at the opening of the mouth and some of the strokes were darkened. I then used a pencil eraser for highlighting and erasing around the strokes which were very dark so that it gives a realistic effect. Similarly, shades were filled in around the lips to depict the skin area, and then used a pencil eraser to highlight the areas around the lips which are very bright. To avoid hard strokes of pencil eraser, I blended it to give a nice blended look. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more art-based content.